Welcome! In front of me I have LG K62 Plus, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on your display in this smartphone. At first you have to prepare a good source of light. As you can see, we can spot a lot of mess on the screen. So let's open the box with our tempered glass. And inside we can find for sure the tempered glass, but as you can see, unfortunately this one is broken. So give me a minute, I will be right back. Okay, so after a few moments I'm back, and as you can see we have to put it back and we have to open the new one. And this one is cool, there is no breaks here. So as I said before, here we got the glass, and when you open the box you will also find wipes, wet and dry. Sometimes you will also able to find stickers to take off piece of the dust, but if you don't have the stickers you can also use duct tape, it will also work. So right now we have to open the wet one, and sometimes this wet comes dry. So in my case it happened. So what you can do when it happened to you, you can use something like the window cleaner and just put it on your wipe to make it wet. And right now you can make moves in the circle. Remember to reach every corner, every edge. Okay, and as you can see, that's how it looks right now. Definitely better without fingerprints. Right now we have to grab the dry one and do the same moves in the circle. Okay, and as you can see right now our display looks much better. You have to be sure that there is no any piece of the dust of the screen, and because when we apply tempered glass on the dust we will get the air bubbles and we don't want to get it. So be sure and take a look another time. If you got something like piece of the dust, you can remove it with your wipe by moving to one of the edge, or use the duct tape or the stickers, and that comes with your box. Right now when you grab your tempered glass you have to remove this sticker, so you have to easily take it off just like that. But as you can see in my case, this sticker doesn't follow with this foil, so you have to remove this foil manually without the sticker. You have to put your fingernail right here on the edge, and as you can hear and as you can see, you can manually remove this foil, and it goes like that. Right now let's start from upper section of the screen and keep holding the bottom part. Okay, be sure that it's in the same place on the edges. You can also turn on the screen. Okay, this one is turned off, so we can turn it on. For example, we can put it like that. I think it is in a good position on the both sides. So just put it like that and take a look on the screen. We can press with our finger right here and it will come automatically, so we don't even have to press anything. But you can, of course, to make it faster, you can press like that. And there it goes. Let's turn on the screen. And as you can see, right now we can use also this wipe to remove those things. So take a look. You have to press just like that and it will disappear from your tempered glass. I mean, it's under the tempered glass is probably the glue that doesn't stick, so we have to press it to get it stick and finish the installation process of our tempered glass. And as you can see, after a few moments we successfully applied this tempered glass on our display, and there is no any problem with the touch interaction. And basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.